Dear students, today we are going to learn about my needs water. We are going to learn about water. Okay, like food, we need water to live. We need water for many activities. Okay, in previous chapter we have learned about food. Food is very essential to us. Healthy foods helps us to grow strong. Same way, water is also very useful thing to us. We need water for many activities. We need water to drink. Okay? We need water to drink. We need water to wash the floor. We need water to take a bath. We need water to wash our utensils. We need water to cook our food. We need water to wash our clothes. Animals and plants also need water to stay alive, to prepare their food, and to hydrate themselves. Okay? We need water for many things. Without water, we cannot live. We need water to drink, for cleaning, for washing, for cooking food. Not only that, animals and plants also need water to stay alive. The most important thing is we should drink clean water. We should not drink dirty water. We should boil and filter water before drinking. Water is very useful, so we should not waste water. Understood? We should not waste water or throw it. We should drink boiled and filtered water. Sources of water from home. Tap and well. Earlier there was a well near people's house. Some villages still have wells. Okay, these are the source of water at home. Well or taps. Okay, water comes through tap or we have well at home. Sources of water from surroundings. River, rain, stream and lake. The water source for our surroundings are natural sources of water. Okay. In our surrounding, there are many other sources of water like river has water. These are the natural sources of water. Storage of water in the family. How do we store water? Since water is precious commodity, we need to use water carefully without wasting it. People store water in buckets, pots and tanks. Why do we need to store water? Okay, at home I think you all have seen tanks or buckets or pot for storing water. Okay, as water is very precious. Without water we cannot live. So we need to store it and we need to conserve water. We should not waste it. Why do we need to store water? Water is essential for people. People use water for various purposes such as drinking, cooking, bathing and washing clothes. Water needs to be stored for using it at a later time. Okay, why do we store water? As water is very essential or important to us. So we need water for doing various works like cooking, drinking, bathing, washing. We need water to be stored for using it later. Okay, if we store that water, we can use it later or afterwards, whenever we need it. So we store water at home. Now we'll look at some examples. Why do we store water? People store water in bottles to keep in the fridge so they can have cold water to drink during hot summer months. Okay, as you people also do that. We store water in bottles and we keep it inside a refrigerator or fridge so that it will be cold and we will drink it on summer months. Families store water in buckets so they can use it for cooking, bathing or washing clothes. At home I think you have seen your mother storing water in buckets for cooking or for bathing or washing clothes or utensils. A farmer store water in large tank so that their animals have water to drink. They also store water for the purpose of watering their crops. Okay, big tanks are made on the field by farmers for storing water. They use that water for their animals, or they use it for watering their crops or any kind of plants. Property of water. Now let's see the property of water. What are the properties of water? Water is colorless. Okay, natural waters are, it is colorless. Okay, that means water don't have any color. Water has no taste. Okay, it's tasteless. Water doesn't have any shape. Water doesn't have any shape. That's why it takes the shape of any bottle or utensil or any pot we pour it into. Water does not have any smell. Okay, water does not have any smell. Water is colorless, water is tasteless, water is smellless, and water is shapeless. These are the property of water. Now we will learn about how we can save water. First, look at this picture and read this question. What is the girl doing? The girl is brushing her teeth. Okay, she is brushing her teeth. What is wrong in the picture? Look at this picture and see. Say, what is wrong? The tap is running without the water being used. This girl is brushing her teeth. She is not using this water. In spite of that, this tap is running. Water is flowing through the tap. What is being wasted? Water is being wasted. She is wasting this water. What should the girl do? She should close the tap. Understood? While brushing your teeth, if you are not using water, you need to close the tap. First you finish brushing your teeth, then only you will switch on your tap. This is how you can save water at home.